Do you people wonder, in spite of the advancement in the medical science, biotechnology, research laboratory all around the world, why are we not able to find the exact vaccine for the deadly coronavirus? Welcome to the Bird Box, and here are the top 5 reasons for not being able to find the exact vaccine for the deadly coronavirus. We all know that the breakout took place from Wuhan, a city in China, but scientists aren't certain where the virus originated, though they know that the coronavirus was passed down from animal to humans and now from human to human. Most of the research shows that the virus originated in bats, but as the officials of China says, no bats are being sold at the Hunan seafood market in Wuhan. This brings us to another study. Other research suggests that there might be an intermediate animal, possibly the pangolin, which might be responsible for the transmission of this deadly virus to humans. The COVID-19 pandemic, which is claiming lives around the world, terrifying population, forcing entire countries into lockdown. Chinese government and the authorities are being accused for hiding the truth about the breakout for several months until the virus reached its pandemic level. Also, Dr. Li, who tried to send a message to fellow medics about the outbreak at the end of December, was summoned to police. All these misleads and cover-up has caused a delay in the proper understanding, widespread and late action on the disease. Before a vaccine is approved for use, it must be proven safe and effective in a series of trials that are monitored by the Food and Drug Administration. After that, the clinical trials in humans can begin. The trials occur in 3 phases. Phase 1 trials are small, usually with a few dozens of patients. Phase 2 trials typically enrolls hundreds of patients to expand the safety, whereas the Phase 3 on the other hand enroll thousands of people. This is a long procedure and it can take years under normal circumstances, but this process can speed up. Once all the trial phases are over, the vaccine must fulfill all the standards of FDA. The FDA wants it to be both safe and effective. In other words, it has to protect enough people with a few unwanted side effects as possible. After all the study, human trials and vaccine approval, the vaccine thus obtained must be produced in a very large scale. The labs that created a successful vaccine probably won't be the one that will be able to scale up. They need a dedicated manufacturer for that part. And many companies may be wary of investing the resource it takes to manufacture a new vaccine. And also every vaccine has its own particular issues, and this also increases the time and causes the delay. Even if we created a perfect vaccine for the corona, there still remains a big question. Who would get the vaccine first? This can be a difficult question because we would have the limited supply and a whole lot of demand. Would they be the older adults, which are at the high risk, or the healthcare professionals? Or will they be given to the younger ones? This could affect the way that a vaccine is administered. Till we get the real cure for it, stay safe and stay home. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel and turn on the notification by clicking the bell icon. And please share your thoughts in the comment section below.